Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and here I am out in nature with birds all around me making their beautiful noises, and I'm doing this book today for making Te Reo Singalong books real, and this one is Te Taiao, which is why I'm out in nature. This is a beautiful little walk really near to my house, so I enjoy it very much, and we've got a lovely friend up there as well. So Te Taiao, Te Taiao, Taiao. Te Taiao means the natural environment, nature, the great outdoors, and yeah, it's great to be in this kind of environment on a hot sunny day because it's quite cooling. So I just thought I'd show you our book Te Taiao and talk about some of the pages. So this page is it's about children enjoying the natural environment, and it's photographed by Rachel Hale McKenna at Matapihi Kindergarten. So that's near Raglan, and they have this gorgeous outdoor area which is feeling a little bit like where I am today. And so on this page, this one is Ka tākaro mātou. And this is this past tense because it's what did you do today. Ka tākaro mātou I te huna me te kimi, and that's we played hide and seek. I hōpara haere mātou I te taiao, and that's about really just sort of exploring the natural environment. So there's lots of beautiful natural environment photographs in this book, and the sentence structure is following through, and then at the end there's this beautiful one about looking at the insects, and then there's this lovely one at the end about sitting and looking and listening and just taking it all in, which I hope you'll have time to do this summer with your little tamariki. And yeah, I really encourage you to think about that. Also, we've got as well as our books, we have an online membership site now where you can get all of our books as digital versions and lots of other special things just for subscribers, and that's at tereosingalong.online. And so there's a book each month, so when you get to this book for the month, whichever one it is, you'll see that there's heaps of other activities and ideas to do with Te Taiao. So hopefully you're really enjoying Te Reo Singalong books and making the most of them, and most of all making them real. Ka kite.